Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dhirendra. Today I am here to share a very basic CAD automation program in Siemens NX. This automation is developed using NX Open. So let's start. This drawing is of straight T belonging to group butt weld pipe fittings. The dimensions are in accordance with ASME B 16.9 standard. This is the ASME B 16.9 standard from where we have referenced our dimensions. The red rectangle defines my scope of automation. I have used these dimension values in my drawing automation. As you can observe, there are 4 schedules listed here. Schedule 20, Schedule 60, Schedule 100 and Schedule 120. To each nominal size listed in column 1, there are corresponding 4 schedules listed. It can be observed outside diameter is same, but thickness and IDs are different for a given nominal size. The higher the schedule, higher is the wall thickness for a given diameter and higher is the pressure resistance capability of the T. As of now, it is nominal 8 inches and schedule 100. There are two views created in our drawing, view A, view B and title box. Now let's open our automation command by using a customized shortcut. This is our automation dialog box. As you can see, there are 3 user inputs which are required to be provided by the user: nominal size, schedule, and the location of the folder where we have to generate and export our drawing. In nominal size, there are 5 options listed: 8 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, 14 inches, and 16 inches. In schedule, there are 4 options listed: 20, schedule 20, schedule 60, schedule 100, and schedule 120. In the folder path, we will create a new folder here and rename it to today's date. Now let's change our user inputs. Presently, the user inputs are 8 inches and schedule 100. Now we are updating the user inputs. We are updating to 8 inches and schedule 120 and clicking on the update part button. It's updated. Now again, let's change the dimensions. 12 inches and schedule 100. Updated. Now let's export the PDF. The PDF is exported successfully. This PDF is for 12 inches and schedule 100. Now again we will change the user inputs to 16 inches and schedule 120 and clicking on the update part button. The dimensions are updated successfully according to 16 inches and schedule 120. And now we will export the PDF. The PDF is exported successfully. It is for 16 inches and 120. In the similar way, we can update the dimensions for other inputs as well. Let's change it to 10 inches and schedule 60. Okay. Export PDF. Export it. You can see this is for 10 inch and schedule 60. Previous one was 16 inches and schedule 20. And the first one was 12 inches and schedule 100. So that's all for today. Hope you like my video. I will update you all if I will create any new automation. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to give a like.